We have seen variables, and variables keep changing. On the other side, we have something called literals, which doesn't change or fix or constant values. And we need to talk about them a little bit because they have their own conditions and situations. So literal is a fixed number or constant number that doesn't change. The example of number of months in the year that doesn't change. So that's a literal number. And letters need to have also data type. They have to be from specific data type. And they are not only numbers. They can be characters and they can be also string of a text. So you see the example here we have A between single quote, and these are character, and here numbers of type integer, numbers of type floating point, and also we have text like the names of people or some messages or paragraphs that we can use. These are all literal because they are fixed, they're not changing. By default, and this is important, you need to remember that integer literals are of type int. For example, if I say x equal 50, by default x equals 50, the 50 by default is integer, unless I want to force it to be something different. So integer literals are type of int. To specify it as a long, I don't want to say this is int, I want it to be long, I need to add L, lowercase or uppercase to it. So I can say 50L. 50L, that will force it to be long. Otherwise, it is by default int of type. For example, 13 is int, but 13L is long because I added the L there. On the floating point side, the default is double. So any number with a floating point, by default it's double. If you want it to be float, then you need to add F or lowercase or F uppercase. Doesn't make difference. So this example, 1.1 is double by default. As soon as you add F, it becomes float. But that doesn't mean it's double by default. That means you don't have to declare the variable or the identifier that is using it. You have to declare it. But 1.1 is a double, or 1.1f is a float.